Assalamu alaikum friends. So here is the report of the project we made by the process of casting. We did POP casting, the casting of plaster of Paris to made a flower vase, which is of the length about 1 foot and 1 to 2 inches. So here is a brief report about it. Let us directly move to the materials used. The materials used in our project are POP, plaster of Paris. This thing, this is POP powder, and we dissolve it with water to make a thick fluid, and then we may dry it to get our desired shape. Then oil is used. Threads these threads are used here. These are of the gas piece we use in medical field. Then paints are used to paint the waste water. X-ray sheet has a very main role in this project. That it is used to make the core for our waste, and the plastic bottle is used as a mold, and then the shape, scissors, and paint brushes. These are the small of the some instruments used thoroughly in our project. Then the methodology we have adopt here. The first we made the mold. Mold is the basic structure of which we want our desired object external geometry. As we use the bottle here, our final the desired prototype would attain the geometry of this bottle. We cut this bottle from top and bottom according to our desired shape. Then we made a code. Code is used to define the internal geometry of any of the your prototype. The external geometry would be same as of the mold, and internal geometry mold cavity, and internal geometry would be defined by this core. We placed this core in our bottle, and then we added the filler material POP. This this core is made up of X-ray sheet, as X-ray sheet won't sticks with the POP, so we preferred this X-ray sheet, X-ray made core. Its geometry is like a double cone, like a cone which is have a larger diameter, and it's goes to less diameter, and then its diameter again increases. This defines the internal geometry of our vase, and we then defined our mold, the water bottle, more precisely. After that, we lubricated our mold. This lubrication helps us helps the oil lubrication is done uh, oil application is done to make the POP unstick with the walls of this mold. So and then then we placed the core in this mold. We also added here the five threads of gas piece to make our final prototype more strengthful and rigid. Then we made POP station using that POP powder and mixing it with water with the ratio 2 to 1. Like if we uh, have 2 cups of POP, and then we will add 1 cup of water, and we added this POP in our mold by holding this core is the core is placed here, this core is also held by hand along with the threads inserted at both this edge and the other edge, symmetric edge. The core is placed here. The core is placed above this level, and a space is in between the sides of the core and the walls of the mold, where we have filled this POP material. After that, after the solidification about uh, 15 to 20 minutes, we have removed the mold, cut the mold from the outside, and these were those threads for which the score was being hold. Then after that, this was the our prototype made after the solidification. Solidification is a process in which POP, in which any of the material that was poured in the liquid form solidifies and changes its state from liquid to solid. Different materials may take different times for their solidification. Then we also have removed this core using using a plier. The core was removed very easily as we applied the as it is made up of X-ray and is non-sticky with this POP. Then we made the outer coating, which is also the a major part of our manufacturing process to give the finishing of your prototype. A different color combination was used to coat this face. Then the we also made its prototype on our SolidWorks software and flow simulations and stress analysis was done on this face. Here you can see the the stress analysis is done here, like the forces for 50 newton force is put it on its top and its bottom geometry is fixed here. And we have done one more simulation there's a flow simulations that how any liquid may flow through it. uh, we have given here our desired pressure environments and created a mesh. There is a whole uh, separate steps for these simulations. In this way, we have completed our project of materials and manufacturing processes, and we have done the casting based vase. We have made casting based vase, and these are the some of the applications and all of the theory about our project. I also made a small presentation on this, which you can go through. The way the process is done in this are these of the three: casting with the core, using core, finishing, and polishing. And then after that, material used. These are some of the steps from while we were making. Then here code was made. Steps of processing. These are all of the steps written, which we have done. Thread reinforcement and then allowing to harden like after it take the solidification time, then painting it, and these were some of the simulations we have done. Thank you so much.